Hello, this is Harvey J from Ask Communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your iPhone 12 to WhatsApp web and send data, picture or other files. You see I have iMac there. You can connect with the same way to Windows computer. Process will be the same. First thing first, you have to do something. You have to go to your phone, you have to unlock your phone and you have to open your WhatsApp. Here we go. In WhatsApp, you have to do something. You have to go to setting option at the corner. This is in iPhone and you have to check this option. It's called link a device. Hit this one. Hit OK here. The device for link you see is right and link a device. Hit this one. It's asking you face recognition. Try again. My face. And as you see, it's giving me QR code. So this is in the phone. Now we'll go to our computer. In computer, you can open Google Chrome. Here we go. I'm opening Google Chrome. And you have to type WhatsApp web. You see here this one and you see this one, WhatsApp web. Directly hit this one and it's telling you now scan the barcode. So scan the barcode option. Now you have to hit OK button here and go to scanning the barcode. Here we go. The barcode is scanned, is done, and all my contacts and chat is available on there. So very easy and simple to connect WhatsApp web to your MacBook, iMac or any other computer. Now let me show you how you can send documents. For example, I open this chat and I will send some documents. For example, here I have one video. It's very easy to send this video. Only you have to drag and drop. You see here, I send this one. This is one file. The same way you drag and drop. Nothing else. Let me, here is one folder. I will show you how you can send a picture. Let me go. For example, here is one picture. I drag and drop. It's very easy to send, nothing else. You see video I'm playing here. It's playing the video, is a screenshot. Close this one. The file, if I want to open here, I can open the file as well and the picture too. So it's very easy to send, only drag and drop, nothing else. No matter which computer you have, no matter which phone you have, the process would be the similar. Okay guys, so this is how you can connect your iPhone 12 or any other version of iPhone to your computer via WhatsApp web and sending data, documents, whatever you like. If you guys like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you guys like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. As always, for more information, go to the Ask Communication, www.askcommunication.com. Have a lovely evening. Take care. Till then, bye-bye.